ToMarket Airdrop listing on October 2024, snapshot, and eligibility criteria. ToMarket Airdrops. Tomato have become a popular method for blockchain projects to reward early supporters, promote their token, and distribute value to a broader audience. ToMarket, an emerging decentralized marketplace, is no exception. With the upcoming airdrop, many crypto enthusiasts are eager to learn more about the listing date, the snapshot details, and the eligibility criteria. What is the ToMarket Airdrop? xKuCoin Tomato is a decentralized marketplace aiming to revolutionize how users buy and sell goods and services. To drive adoption and reward early backers, ToMarket has announced an airdrop of its native token, $TOM, to eligible participants. This airdrop is not only an incentive for those who believe in the platform's vision but also a way to generate excitement around the project as it gears up for its official launch. Airdrop listing date. The official listing date for the ToMarket Airdrop Tomato is October 20, 2024. On this day, $TOM will be made available on a variety of decentralized exchanges, DEXs, and centralized exchanges, CEXs, providing liquidity for traders and users. As with most token launches, it is expected that there will be significant market activity on this day, so participants are advised to be prepared for potential volatility. Snapshot date. The snapshot for the ToMarket Airdrop will occur on October 10, 2024, at 12 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. A snapshot refers to the process of recording the blockchain addresses of users holding a specific asset at a particular moment. For the ToMarket Airdrop, this means that only the users who hold certain assets, as specified in the eligibility criteria, in their wallets at the exact time of the snapshot will be considered for the airdrop. It's essential to ensure that you meet the criteria before the snapshot is taken, as any transactions made after the snapshot will not be counted. Eligibility criteria for the airdrop. To be eligible for the ToMarket Airdrop Tomato, participants need to meet the following criteria. Eligibility criteria for the airdrop. To be eligible for the ToMarket Airdrop Tomato, participants need to meet the following criteria. Hold $ETH or $TOM. The primary criterion for receiving the airdrop is holding either Ethereum, $ETH, or ToMarket's native token, $TOM. Users holding a minimum amount of $0.5 ETH or $500 TOM in their wallets at the time of the snapshot will be considered eligible. Active wallet address. Only non-exchange wallets, e.g., MetaMask, Trust Wallet, etc., will be eligible. If you're holding $ETH or $TOM on a centralized exchange, you will not qualify for the airdrop. Interaction with ToMarket dApp. Users who have interacted with the ToMarket decentralized application, dApp, at least once prior to the snapshot date will receive additional tokens. This includes listing an item, buying a service, or voting in governance proposals. Referral program. ToMarket has implemented a referral program that allows users to refer friends and family to the platform. Those who have successfully referred at least 3 new users who meet the eligibility criteria will receive bonus tokens as part of the airdrop. Social media activity. Participants who have actively promoted ToMarket on social media platforms such as Twitter, Discord, or Telegram and used the official hashtags, #ToMarket, #ToMairdrop, will be eligible for extra rewards. Ensure your posts are public and linked to your wallet address where possible. How to claim the airdrop. Once the airdrop is completed, eligible users will receive their tokens automatically in their wallets. However, users will need to manually add the $TOM token contract address to their wallets, such as MetaMask, to view the airdrop tokens. Final thoughts. Airdrops like ToMarket's provide a fantastic opportunity for early supporters to benefit from their involvement with the project. If you meet the eligibility criteria, make sure your assets are in place before the snapshot date on October 10, 2024. With the listing date set for October 20, 2024, the airdrop is sure to create buzz around the launch of ToMarket's decentralized marketplace. Stay tuned for more updates, and if you haven't already, ensure you're positioned to make the most of the ToMarket Airdrop.